Hi guys, welcome to Melarts Channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how I edit my YouTube videos using Kinemaster on Android phone. Let's open the Kinemaster app. And guys, in order to create a video, let's click the plus sign. And in here, we will select 16:9 aspect ratio because this is the standard for YouTube on a computer. Let's start adding an example videos. Let's add this and this. Then click OK. Before we proceed to the main topic today, first I'm gonna show you the main feature of this Kinemaster. On the top right side, it has export and share, a play button, a Kinemaster asset store, media, audio, layer recorder, and camera or camcorder. And on the top left side, it has back button, undo, capture and save, capture and add as clip, and capture and add as layer. The settings, it has the audio, the video, and editing, so on and so forth. Now let's add the title text, how I edit my YouTube videos. Let's resize it and change the font style to lead Gothic, same as Kinemaster text. While using text and on Android phone text, I'm gonna choose the font style as Great Vibes. Let's change the font color to gray. And adjust the text duration. And done. Now let's split the video. And choose to split at playhead and click OK. And guys, if you find out that the text is not readable, well, we can fix it. And let's try to change the font color to red and adding an outline, then click OK. And also for the using text and on Android phone text. While Kinemaster text, we just add an outline only for black color. What do you guys prefer, the new one or the original one? For me, I preferred the original one because gray is one of my favorite color and it is inspired by the color of the year 2021. To make it clear, I will adjust the speed of the video and let's see the result. There you go. Now let's proceed to add the transition effect, and I'm gonna select classic transitions to fade through. Of course, the gray color and its duration number 1. Adjust until it will level the text and recheck it. Now let's resize it all and add an in animation and out animation to fade. Then let's add my YouTube logo. And let's add also, guys, for a music background for this project. And guys, I'm gonna add also more text for new viewers. If you are new to my channel and you like to watch this video, please do like and subscribe, click the bell button and get notified on my upcoming videos. Then I'm gonna add also my intro video and outro video. And guys, I just want you to know that I will also add my social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok account. And let's see how I do that. And now they are all done. Let's rename the title of this project. And guys, before exporting the video, I will review it from start to end. And or afterwards, I will change or add something until the final project. In addition, it took me to edit 3 to 4 days, depends to the duration of the video. And yeah, that's all for today's video, and I hope you've got some ideas or did the same like mine. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now.